This is the Rapidclean Magnetic Separator. It is engineered for high-performance metal fragment removal. It is also designed for dry ingredient applications as well as other sensitive products in the manufacturing such as dairy and lactose powders. This separator protects product quality and is an important part of achieving food safety compliance. Before you begin using this magnetic separator, ensure you're wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and safety glasses. Always follow your site's safety protocols and refer to Magnattack's product manual to ensure safety precautions are being made before using this equipment. Rapidclean gets its name because of its easy access to the magnet drawer and the ability to quickly and effectively clean the magnet bars. To clean the unit, stop the product flow and remove the two knobs on the front. Lift the cam latches and carefully slide the drawer magnet to remove the magnetic element from the housing and fold the magnets over. Then push the drawer back in. Once you have removed the drawer magnet, take the Rapidclean cleaning tool and carefully slide it over the bar magnets. As you pull the magnet through, collected fragments are safely wiped away from the processing line. Once a bar is clean, pull the drawer back out and fold the magnet bars back into place. Reinsert the drawer magnet and replace the two knobs on the front of the separator. Ensure the knobs are fully tightened by hand before resuming production. Regularly inspect your unit for wear, damage, or buildup. Clean the magnet at recommended intervals to maintain peak performance and compliance with food safety standards. Ready to upgrade your metal fragment control and simplify your cleaning process? Contact Magnattack today to speak with our team or request a demo. Let's make your process safer, cleaner, and more efficient.